You're a student, overloaded with assignments, but still need money. What if I told you you don't need a job to earn? In this video, I'll show you 5 legit ways to make money online as a student, no job required. Let's dive in. Before we start, hit that like and subscribe button for more money-making hacks. Are you taking notes in class? Why not get paid for them? Websites like Stuvia, Studypool, and Nexus Notes will pay you for your class notes, essays, and study guides. How it works: upload your notes, set a price, earn money every time someone downloads them. Pro tip: neatly formatted notes sell better. Use Canva to make them look professional. Did you know you can get things for free and sell them for profit? Websites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist Free Section, and FreeCycle offer free items people don't want anymore. You can pick them up, clean them, and sell them for cash. How much can you earn? $10, $200 GA1 per flip, depending on the item. Some students make $500 GA1 per month just flipping free stuff. Easy flip ideas: old furniture, electronics, Z-books and textbooks, clothes and shoes. Pro tip: check local yard sales and curb alerts for free finds. Imagine making money just by listening to music. Websites like Playlist Push and Radio Earn pay you to review songs or stream music. How much can you earn? $5 to $50 per review on Playlist Push. Earn passive income from streaming on Radio Earn. Best for music lovers who want easy passive income. Forget boring surveys. You can get paid to share your opinions on. User testing. Earn $10 per test. A respondent. EO up to $100 per street UD. Allfocusgroup.com. High-paying research studies. Pro tip: sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earnings. AI isn't taking jobs, it's creating them. You can use free AI tools to write ebooks and sell them on Amazon Kindle. Create AI-generated art and sell on Redbubble. Write and sell blog posts using ChatGPT. Student made $1,000 in a month selling AI-generated children's books. And there you have it, 5 ways to make money as a student without a job. Which one are you trying first? Comment below. Subscribe for more money-making hacks.